G'day guys, nice to see you back again. Welcome to season 2 of our trip from Australia to Germany. We are Anna and Flo. We shipped our Toyota Land Cruiser from Melbourne to Kuala Lumpur, and since then we're driving around Asia. Join us in the next episode where we're gonna kick off in Laos Part 2. Alright, we made it to Laos again. Laos. So border was pain in the ass again. Fucking trucks blocking all the way. That's how it looks like when they start backing from one truck into the other one. A lot of people try to rip you off again, and they, I don't know, for no reason they want to charge you for everything. But at the end we were arguing a lot and negotiating kind of, so we gave them half of everything they wanted to have. Not everything, but a bit. And we're back in Laos. Anna, do you want to add something?
I'm hungry, and for once I'm well prepared.
Anna made some snacks.
You want a Stulle?
A Stulle. Here we are again, back in our favorite city in Asia, Vientiane. I always like to say in Laos is chaos, and Vientiane is like it's the capital of chaos. We just arrived back here. Yeah, traffic is on its peak. We just have to get a pass. Hopefully we get it because we're super late actually, and then if we got that, we can leave this city. A riverside sunset am Mekong. Actually, there was a day market. Looks horrible.
Maybe it's been a few days actually.
Good morning. So it's a beautiful day. We arrived in Vientiane already. We did a couple of kilometers this morning, and the weather today is beautiful. It couldn't be better. Now we're just fueling up, and now we have to prepare the sock for the snorkel because I know it's super dusty and we don't want to catch all dirt in the air filter.
Why do you do that?
To catch all the dust which flies on the filter, so it stays in the filter and don't goes into the air filter which we actually have in the car. So this sock here is gonna sit on top of the snorkel up there.
So we were actually supposed to leave Luang Prabang today, maybe around midday, but then we decided to get some work done. So I was working on for my job and then on our YouTube again, and Flo was trying to fix.
Some work done. Look at a lot of work done actually.
Yeah, same. And then. Kann ich? And then Flo wanted to fix something on the heater because the heater is still not working.
Bloody fucking old cars. I know the next problem what's broken. So step by step we are replacing these bushings, where the shocky is over there, shocky stuff, and now we have the next problem. These motherfuckers here. Let's go! We are gonna leave Luang Prabang right now and see something new. We're gonna hit to the Nong Khiaw mountain. Woo. So actually we grabbed something green from the bakery as well. Yeah, it smells super sweet. Lots. With the cream filling. Cream and green. Yeah, it's good. Quite sweet. But good. Finally it's gonna die. Already fixed it in Australia when I got it. So maybe time to get a new one.
Hello friends! So we left the beautiful spot down by the river and are on our way to a hike right now. That looks vielversprechend. What does vielversprechend mean in English? Promising.
Promising, I don't know. What up?
Hello friends, so we made it to Boten yesterday. It's the town right at the Chinese border. We catched up with Steven and Lorraine again, which is pretty cool. And yeah, now Flo started working on the car.
I'm gonna change the front suspension because Santa Claus came early this year and brought some new shockeys, new springs and a new steering damper. And yeah, I'm gonna lift up the car in the front, change all that stuff, and later that evening we're gonna get some bushings changed. We found a workshop which is around the corner and they're gonna press it in, and then the car is ready to go for China.
Is it? And are you gonna rotate the tires again?
Yeah,
as well?
I'm gonna rotate the tires as well. And maybe we have some time to drive to a workshop because that one tire is losing a little bit of air, what we just noticed.
Maybe the ones in the workshop can have a look for that.
Yeah, maybe they can have a look, because actually I don't want to... I hope it's just some tiny leaks because the valve is broken or something, and then just change the valve and put a new one. Let's see.
Is it good?
It's a mix between chicken and fish. Let's see what the neighbors are doing.
Hi,
Good morning, ladies and hampermen.
Hamperman.
How are we today? Ready for China?
Ready for China, mate?
Ready for China.
Fuck yeah.
We're gonna cross in 1 hour. Yeah, almost. 1, 2, 3 cars already here. Fourth one is gonna arrive soon, and the fifth one as well.
Good morning, friends.
Hello. So we are about to cross to China. So that's actually the gate to China. Almost the whole group is here.
Yeah, we got Matt and Nicole. We got the daily car. Where is he? Over there.
Right there.
And we got a fifth vehicle.
And we got AJ with us.
Yeah.
So actually we are on the Chinese border, still in Laos, waiting since 7:30. That's already like almost 1 hour ago. They have no power and can't continue working. But we're having a good time. We're with our group, almost where we want to go. China is very close. And yeah, that's it. So if the border crossing is not gonna happen, no problem, just have dinner or lunch. So we're actually preparing some lunch and I was doing some cleaning.
In Arabic, they call it himar. Himar.
So this Friday, the border crossing didn't happen after all, as the entire town of Boten was without any electricity, leaving the border unable to operate. That meant we were actually stranded in a powerless ghost town for the whole weekend. But luckily we found a beautiful campsite by a lake where we were able to spend 3 relaxing days before making a second attempt to enter China with the group on Monday. Join us in the next episode to see how we finally made it into China. And if you're just as excited as we were to explore this fascinating country, you won't want to miss it.
And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you soon, guys.